That's gonna be good.
Hey guys, so right now we're at Ceolin Falls. We're actually at the upper falls right now. We went to the lower falls first, and then we took a little stroll up here because this is a beautiful spot, great views. But right now, we got some steak on the fire. We're actually going to be making some burritos, steak burritos, so it's going to be super good. We're going to be cooking up some Mexican burritos here, so with it we're going to have our Mexican street corn. Made that up at home. Ingredients, we got corn, cilantro, feta cheese, smoked paprika,
lime juice,
mayonnaise, whole bunch of stuff, pretty good. We're cooking steaks on the fire right now, so pretty good, coming along nice. And with that, we're gonna top that up with some Mexican rice there too. And last but not least, we have the signature guacamole there. Should be pretty nice. We're going to get some beautiful shots of the scenery that we have here using the drone as well, and lots of cooking. on there. There we go.
Can't wait to get into it.
How is it, Lori?
It's so good, but it's getting all over the place.
So how was that?
That was really good. I don't even know if I can make it out of here. You're gonna have to roll me out.
We ate most of it, packed up a little bit for the way out. So making steak wrap burritos, making steak burritos with Mexican corn, Mexican rice, chipotle sauce, definitely a good idea for out in the forest, especially if you have a beautiful view. This area is really nice. It actually has two waterfalls, one up on the top, one at the bottom. Very cool.
Check out the channel for all sorts of outdoor videos, including wildlife and canoe trips.